Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful old Pavoni espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. See if we get a nice shot of espresso. That's the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Probably would want to actually put it in the position 2 for a minute to get the steam a little stronger. That's better. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.